Alright, this is going to be the elevator at 747 Fort Street, Victoria. Look at that. Don't shut. Get a cab view. Obviously, the cab was redone. There's me in the mirror. Hi. Let's go to LG. LG's locked. 11. Here we go. Otis Lexan. On 11. Alright, let's go to LG's locked. G. Cabinet's open, but we're not going to touch anything. Let's get a cab view. The cabs are pretty nice, even though they were redone. There's me in the mirror. Hello. ADA compliant phone. Nice leveling. 11. These are nice. Going down?
Yeah.
What floor?
The ground.
So view your buttons. I'm just doing a video of the elevators, they're vintage. We're on G. Whoa. Nice leveling. Watch this. Wow. These are like in mint condition right here. Otis. Hello. Just doing a video of the elevators. They're cool, I think. They're vintage. Have a nice day. Well, G's locked. G. Again, I love these buttons. They're in excellent shape here. Otis. Anyway, we'll get off here. There's your call station. And there it goes. That's gonna be it.